Game 1, Boys Team 2025, Adilang Senior Secondary School. Adilang Senior Secondary School. Adilang Senior Secondary School. The captain of Adilang Secondary School girls to come and receive the trophy. The captain. But they are going to look very funny on no uniform. The captain, I said the captain with the uniform will be in front. We request as we go back, we go to Noel, we come back to the trophy. What do you get that? Adilang, well done. Congratulations, celebrations. Because this is a lady competition, DJ. Because it's a lady competition, I will request also the lady to hand the trophy to the ladies team. So may I request my chairperson, USSA, to hand over the trophy. Okay, Adilang girls, now take it for the Champions 2025 secondary school competition in football. I'm very glad and grateful I started my school at Adilang. This is a God-given for this chairperson. As you leave Guloyo, you have your 10 cartons of water for these students. Make sure you link up with me and you pick. My OBs and OGs, it's my honor
an appreciation that God gave you more talent so that you travel beyond the expectation. Skills you have in football and skills you have in other events, please utilize it. The game teachers, the head teachers, management, we are collectively a champion of 2025 competition. So when you win as a school, you've won as a team and you've won as a district and you will represent the northern region. So please double your efforts. With this, I have the honor to earn in this trophy in appreciation and in the name of the governing body, Adilang, and on behalf of the government of this country, that you keep this trophy and you defend it again next year, so that you become the first ever in record, okay, to maintain this both boys and girls. So may I have this honor to hand in this trophy to the chairperson. Captain, congratulations.